Kazakhstan State University, Information Technology and Energetic Scientific School. Welcome to our laboratory work. My name is Nuralieva Tanjildas. I'm a teacher at the Department of Information, Communication and Technology. The theme of the laboratory work is creation of Google accounts with use of Google Docs, use of the mobile technologies for receiving and information access, GPS navigators, GSM and signaling. The aims of this class are provide to understand about mobile technologies, ways and the methods using. The learning objective. The student will be able to know the types of operation systems, use the basic mobile phone operation system, know about GPS navigators, use GSM as signaling, know about mobile devices. The learning objective. The student will be able to efficiency of cloud technologies application, list facilities, benefits of cloud technologies, types of clouds, hybrid clouds, 3 levels of cloud services, applications of cloud technologies, disadvantages of cloud computing. Key questions of the same. What types of cloud do you know? What is the function of the private cloud? What is the hybrid cloud? What is the advantage of the cloud computing? What is the possibility of the SaaS concept? Cloud technologies, efficiency of cloud technologies, application. Cloud data warehousing. Clouds gigabyte platforms. If you are tired of running around between work and the home with a flash drive, always carrying a laptop with the right files, and you want your important files to be accessible to your team on any computer or mobile device, then cloud storage can come to your rescue. Cloud storage is an online storage model in which data is stored on numerous distributed servers on the network, provided for use by customers mostly via third party, in contrast to the data storage model on its own dedicated servers, purchased or rented specially for such purposes. The number or any internal structure of the servers to the client in general is not visible. Data is stored as well as processed in a so-called cloud, which is, from the client's point of view, one large virtual server. The first is Google Drive Cloud Storage. Google Drive cloud storage of data from Google, which speaks for itself. Google Drive allows users to store their data on servers in the cloud and share them with other users on the internet. Cloud storage divides the space between Google Drive, Gmail, and the Google Photo. In the service, you can store not only documents, but also photos, music, video, and many other files, only 30 types. Everything is very convenient and customary for users of Google service. There are algorithms of the Google Drive. Applications of cloud technologies. Cloud scattered computing is a data processing technology in which computer resources and the capacities are provided to the user as an internet service. The user has access to their own data, but cannot manage and shouldn't care about the infrastructure, the operating system, and the actual software with which it operates. The term cloud is used as a metaphor based on the internet image on a computer network diagram, or as an image of a complex infrastructure behind which all technical details are hidden. Cloud technology in the electronic storage of your data on the internet, which allows you to store, as it's not strange, to edit as well as share interesting files and documents with your friends and colleagues. This technology is interested in such computer companies as giant like Google, who created and promoted to the masses their product called Google Docs. Types of clouds. The first is private cloud, as infrastructure designed to use one organization, including several consumers. For example, the units of the organization. A private cloud can be owned, managed, and operated by both the organization itself and a third party or some combination thereof, and it can physically exist both within and outside the owner's jurisdiction. The public cloud is an infrastructure intended for free use by the general public. A public cloud can be owned, managed, and operated by commercial, scientific, and government organizations, or some combination thereof. A public cloud exists physically in the jurisdiction of the owner provider of services. The next is a practical task. Cloud technologies, efficiency of cloud technologies application. Firstly, you must open the browser with an internet connection, go to the mail, find the cloud, we go. The second, you must choose the file. iCloud, keep it securely, share easily. All your photos, videos, documents, applications, and other files are safely stored in iCloud and synced on all your devices. Therefore, you always have access to the right things. Google Play, formerly Android Market, is a Google application store, a game store, books, music, and movies that allows Android device owners to install and purchase various applications. A developer account that allows you to publish applications costs $25. Paid apps cannot be published by developers from all countries. Google Play was the result of the rebranding of the Android Market portal on March 6, 2012. Since the rebranding of the Android market on Google Play and still use all the features of the service can only residents of the United States, but soon, according to representatives of Google, the list of countries that can take advantage of Google Play is full measure will significantly increase because recently Google Play has undergone some changes. In May 2014, you can pay using PayPal. In late July 2017, in the Play Store, there was built-in antivirus Google Play Protect. There are practical tasks for your homework. Firstly, it's about iOS, how to use. Firstly, you must press the lock button, then enter a password or a sample fine fingerprint. Next, opens the main menu through which we use the applications we need. Then interface shell and icons depends on the manufacturer and operating system. The second is about the Android, how to start working. Firstly, press the home button, then unlock the screen by entering a password, then the last on the desktop using the icons we use the applications. There are control questions for the homework. The first, which are the advantages of the cloud computing? The next, software as a service, SaaS, for what purpose? What is a private cloud? What is the function of the private cloud? What is the cloud technology used? What are the advantages of cloud computing? Thank you.